When space is tight and doors are always in the way, a pocket door can be a sleek, space-saving solution. In this video, viewers will learn to transform a traditional swinging door into a modern sliding pocket door, perfect for tight spaces like bathrooms, closets, or laundry rooms. Begin by removing an old hinged door and casing. With a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, carefully pry off the trim, revealing the drywall behind it. Next, cut away the drywall with a utility knife and oscillating tool. Measure the required cavity space, roughly twice the width of the door, to ensure there's enough room in the wall for the pocket frame. Use a pocket door kit from your local hardware store to install a metal frame and header into the open wall cavity. Check everything for level and plumb, securing the structure with screws and framing nails. After installing the sliding track, attach the door hangers to the top of your door and carefully slide it into place. With a few adjustments, the door will glide smoothly and tuck away neatly into the wall. Patch the wall with new drywall, tape the seams, and sand everything down for a seamless finish. Once painted, add new trim around the doorway for a clean, polished look. With your pocket door complete, you can now enjoy more floor space and a modern, minimalist touch to your hallway. This upgrade not only looks great, it's incredibly practical too. Want more DIY transformations like this? Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for future projects. These DIY projects can be done by yourself, but remember your local Door New can also do them for you. Visit our website to find a location near you. Stay tuned for more renewal content. See you next time.